Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change product color in the application for your headphones BeOplay8Sport. You have to start by open the application. As you can see, I have another color than mine headphones. So scroll down, click on settings, then product color and choose what is yours. This is mine, but you have another options here. So after you choosing, click save, and as you can see, this picture is changing. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.